Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be like a lip swatching video. It's kind of also going to be like a combo, but I will swatch both the lipsticks separately and then I'm going to do my combo. So this is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink. And I have two shades. I only wanted to just get these because, you know, I'm paying out of pocket. And yeah, these are the ones that I liked it. The first one I have is Chia Genius, which is this shade right here. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand and I'm also going to swatch it on my lips. So this is the color right here. And then the next color is 275 Mocha Inventor. This is how it's looking. So before I do the combo, I'm going to swatch them on my lips and then do the combo. Alright, so the shade I have right now is Chia Genius. This is how it's looking on my lips. Hey y'all, so the Shy Genius shade looks more to me like a light mauve color, almost like a light peach color too. The next shade I have is Mocha Inventor, and this one does have a smell on it. It smells like some type of coffee smell. I know this is from the Coffee Edition line, but it does have a slight coffee smell, but it's kind of not that pleasant. But yeah, this is how it's looking on my lip. Hey y'all, this color reminds me of the Too Faced Black Cherries or Chocolate Cherries. It's like a dark brownish red color. Alright, so now I'm back to do the lip combo. I do want to note that this shade right here does stain, so do keep that in mind. So I'm going to go in with my MAC pencil. I have it in the shade Chestnut. I'm just going to use this to line my lips.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Next, I'm going to go in with Mocha Inventor, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. Next, I'm going to go in with Chia Genius. And I'm just going to put it in the middle. So this is how it's looking. Alright, so that is all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't really like the whole collection, but you know, I'm paying out of pocket and these things are not cheap. I did purchase these off of Amazon. They were $7.88 and I heard that they're running about $9 or $10, so run to Amazon because yeah, you want to save your coin. So overall with this lip color, it does feel sticky. And then when I do this, it does stick together. So I'm not sure if it's all the way matte to me, in my opinion. Because normally when I use my Kat Von D's, they dry down really fast and they don't stick. But these do stick together. And it's kind of like messing up the coloring that I did. But yeah, just keep that in mind if you were to purchase these. So thank you so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys subscribe if you're new to my... If you are a returning subscriber, thanks again for tuning in and love you all. Bye.